Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so looking at Frere Jacques here. Things about this is it's done as a round, and each section the next person comes in. Watch for your repeat signs. They're everywhere, every other measure. And we're going to go nice and slow. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.